Hey everyone, welcome to English Go Easy. I'm Spark, and today we've got an incredibly practical episode for you.
Hey, I'm Xena. Today we're giving you over 100 phrases that native speakers use every single day. These aren't textbook phrases. These are real, natural expressions you'll hear and use constantly.
These phrases will make you sound natural, fluent, and confident. We're covering greetings, reactions, agreements, disagreements, making plans, expressing opinions, everything you need.
And here's what we want you to do. Repeat each phrase after us. Say it out loud. That's the only way you'll remember and be able to use them automatically.
By the end of this episode, you'll have a huge collection of ready-to-use phrases that'll make your English sound native.
So get ready to practice. This is going to be fast-paced and super useful. Spark, let's start.
Let's go.
Phrase 1. How's it going? Repeat. How's it going?
Phrase 2. What's up? Repeat. What's up?
Phrase 3. Not much, you? Repeat. Not much, you?
Phrase 4. Same old, same old. Repeat. Same old, same old.
Phrase 5. Can't complain. Repeat. Can't complain.
Phrase 6. I'm doing well, thanks. Repeat. I'm doing well, thanks.
Phrase 7. How about yourself? Repeat. How about yourself?
Phrase 8. Long time no see. Repeat. Long time no see.
Phrase 9. It's been a while. Repeat. It's been a while.
Phrase 10. Good to see you. Repeat. Good to see you.
Phrase 11. What have you been up to? Repeat. What have you been up to?
Phrase 12. I've been keeping busy. Repeat. I've been keeping busy.
Phrase 13. That sounds great. Repeat. That sounds great.
Phrase 14. That's awesome. Repeat. That's awesome.
Phrase 15. No way. Repeat. No way.
Phrase 16. Are you serious? Repeat. Are you serious?
Phrase 17. You're kidding. Repeat. You're kidding.
Phrase 18. I can't believe it. Repeat. I can't believe it.
Phrase 19. That's crazy. Repeat. That's crazy.
Phrase 20. Tell me about it. Repeat. Tell me about it.
Phrase 21. I know, right? Repeat. I know, right?
Phrase 22. Exactly. Repeat. Exactly.
Phrase 23. Absolutely. Repeat. Absolutely.
Phrase 24. I totally agree. Repeat. I totally agree.
Phrase 25. That makes sense. Repeat. That makes sense.
Phrase 26. Fair enough. Repeat. Fair enough.
Phrase 27. You have a point. Repeat. You have a point.
Phrase 28. I see what you mean. Repeat. I see what you mean.
Phrase 29. I'm not sure about that. Repeat. I'm not sure about that.
Phrase 30. I don't think so. Repeat. I don't think so.
Phrase 31. I disagree. Repeat. I disagree.
Phrase 32. I see it differently. Repeat. I see it differently.
Phrase 33. That's not quite right. Repeat. That's not quite right.
Phrase 34. Actually, I think.
Repeat. Actually, I think.
Phrase 35. Are you free tomorrow? Repeat. Are you free tomorrow?
Phrase 36. Want to hang out? Repeat. Want to hang out?
Phrase 37. Let's grab coffee. Repeat. Let's grab coffee.
Phrase 38. I'm down for that. Repeat. I'm down for that.
Phrase 39. Count me in. Repeat. Count me in.
Phrase 40. I'll pass. Repeat. I'll pass.
Phrase 41. Maybe next time. Repeat. Maybe next time.
Phrase 42. I'll let you know. Repeat. I'll let you know.
Phrase 43. Sounds like a plan. Repeat. Sounds like a plan.
Phrase 44. What time works for you? Repeat. What time works for you?
Phrase 45. I'm flexible. Repeat. I'm flexible.
Phrase 46. Anytime is fine. Repeat. Anytime is fine.
Phrase 47. I'm running late. Repeat. I'm running late.
Phrase 48. I'm on my way. Repeat. I'm on my way.
Phrase 49. See you soon. Repeat. See you soon.
Phrase 50. Catch you later. Repeat. Catch you later.
Phrase 51. Take care. Repeat. Take care.
Phrase 52. Have a good one. Repeat. Have a good one.
Phrase 53. No worries. Repeat. No worries.
Phrase 54. Don't worry about it. Repeat. Don't worry about it.
Phrase 55. It's no big deal. Repeat. It's no big deal.
Phrase 56. My bad. Repeat. My bad.
Phrase 57. Sorry about that. Repeat. Sorry about that.
Phrase 58. I appreciate it. Repeat. I appreciate it.
Phrase 59. Thanks a lot. Repeat. Thanks a lot.
Phrase 60. I owe you one. Repeat. I owe you one.
Phrase 61. You're the best. Repeat. You're the best.
Phrase 62. I couldn't have done it without you. Repeat. I couldn't have done it without you.
Phrase 63. That's really nice of you. Repeat. That's really nice of you.
Phrase 64. I really appreciate your help. Repeat. I really appreciate your help.
Phrase 65. What do you think? Repeat. What do you think?
Phrase 66. In my opinion. Repeat. In my opinion.
Phrase 67. I feel like. Repeat. I feel like.
Phrase 68. It seems to me that. Repeat. It seems to me that.
Phrase 69. From my perspective. Repeat. From my perspective.
Phrase 70. The way I see it. Repeat. The way I see it.
Phrase 71. I'd say that. Repeat. I'd say that.
Phrase 72. To be honest. Repeat. To be honest.
Phrase 73. Honestly speaking. Repeat. Honestly speaking.
Phrase 74. Frankly. Repeat. Frankly.
Phrase 75. If you ask me. Repeat. If you ask me.
Phrase 76. I'm not sure. Repeat. I'm not sure.
Phrase 77. I have no idea. Repeat. I have no idea.
Phrase 78. Your guess is as good as mine. Repeat. Your guess is as good as mine.
Phrase is 79. I don't know off the top of my head. Repeat. I don't know off the top of my head.
Phrase 80. Let me think about it. Repeat. Let me think about it.
Phrase 81. Give me a second. Repeat. Give me a second.
Phrase 82. Hold on a minute. Repeat. Hold on a minute.
Phrase 83. Just a moment. Repeat. Just a moment.
Phrase 84. I'll be right back. Repeat. I'll be right back.
Phrase 85. I'll be right there. Repeat. I'll be right there.
Phrase 86. I'm all set. Repeat. I'm all set.
Phrase 87. I'm good to go. Repeat. I'm good to go.
Phrase 88. All done. Repeat. All done.
Phrase 89. That'll do. Repeat. That'll do.
Phrase 90. Perfect. Repeat. Perfect.
Phrase 91. I'm starving. Repeat. I'm starving.
Phrase 92. I'm stuffed. Repeat. I'm stuffed.
Phrase 93. I could eat. Repeat. I could eat.
Phrase 94. I'm craving. Repeat. I'm craving.
Phrase 95. I'm in the mood for. Repeat. I'm in the mood for.
Phrase 96. That hit the spot. Repeat. That hit the spot.
Phrase 97. I'm beat. Repeat. I'm beat.
Phrase 98. I'm exhausted. Repeat. I'm exhausted.
Phrase 99. I'm wiped out. Repeat. I'm wiped out.
Phrase 100. I need a break. Repeat. I need a break.
Amazing. That's 100 super useful phrases.
These are the phrases you'll hear every single day in English conversations.
The more you practice them, the more automatic they'll become.
Don't try to memorize all of them at once. Pick 5 or 10 to focus on each week.
Use them in real conversations and they'll stick in your memory.
Native speakers use these phrases constantly, so you should too.
They'll make you sound natural, fluent, and confident.
Thanks for practicing with us on English Go Easy.
Come back and listen to this episode multiple times.
Each time you listen, you'll remember more phrases.
Subscribe for more practical English lessons.
And let us know in the comments which phrases you're going to use first.
Until next time, keep practicing and keep speaking.
You're doing amazing.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.